I no go talk too much about Kashim Shettima now until I hand over power give am. Presido Buhari, na him talk this one. Senator Abdullahi Adamu wey be chairman for All Progressive Congress don lead other ogbonge leaders for APC to do talk with Presido Buhari sake of 2023 election. APC chairman Atiku Bagudu wey be governor of Kebbi State and chairman for APC Governors Forum talk say dem dey loyal to the leadership of Presido Buhari and come talk say dem ready for 2023 election.
We are the father of this party, and there's no better parting gift that we can give to ensure sustainability of our support, of our loyalty, and all that we stand for whisper in your life is to ensure that we produce the next president who succeed by the grace of God.
Mr. President, you earn and deserve a big congratulations, because without your determination for an equitable, fair-minded process, maybe things will not have been as easy as they seemingly were. We are confident that the candidates, the presidential flag bearer, and the vice presidential candidate are assets for us that will help us in the campaign.
APC vice presidential candidate and former governor of Borno State, Senator Kashim Shettima, talk say him and Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu ready to save Nigeria and constantly build on the legacy of Presido Buhari.
Your Excellency, on behalf of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I wish to once again reiterate our willingness to serve Nigeria with justice, equity, and fairness. We want to latch on to your achievements. We want to latch on to your brand name for us to cruise on to victory and consolidate the leadership of the All Progressive Congress.
Presido Buhari Konya and the APC chieftain say the unity of the party is very important for 2023 election.
For us all, the cohesion and unity of the party was the first priority and the ambition was second. I'm glad that you all saw the larger picture rather than narrow self-serving interests. What matters to me is the unity, security, and prosperity of Nigerians, even during my days in office as president, and I am glad that the APC is on course towards that eventuality.
Presido Buhari constantly say him no go talk anything about Senator Kashim Shettima until him hand over power give am and Asiwaju Bola Tinubu for May 29, 2023.
When the presidential running mate was presented to me a couple of days ago, I said I will reserve my comments till I hand over to him and the new president on May 29, 2023 at the Eagle Square. I still maintain that same position. I'm glad that the party is resolved to further mobilize more Nigerians, particularly youth, to register and get their permanent voters cards. It is the way to go.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.